Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a topic, and the topic is what are the good sides of using a smartphone. So let's talk about this topic. The topic is what are the good sides of using a smartphone. There are lots of points which we can discuss regarding this topic. In numbers of points are there. We will discuss some points. Number 1, I would like to talk about communication. There were in previous days there were cell phones over which we could talk with our people, but now a smartphone has given us another important feature which is called video calling. There are lots of people who are going outside for working, they're remaining outside for years. Our children are going outside, starting outside for years, for 4 years, 5 years, and we can't see them. But using video calling now, we can talk with them and also we can see them what they're doing. We can see the daily activities clearly. So this is a very important feature I feel of smartphone, which has really given a great amount of peace in the heart of the people. Then there's another important point which is navigation, I feel, which is worth mentioning about navigation. That now using Google Map and Google Earth, lots of other things are there, lots of other applications are there through which we can navigate to any place in the whole world, and we can really go to any place fearlessly. Now we can travel to any place in the whole world without any fear. Because Google Map has given us such features which has made it possible for us to travel, to check distances from our home to a particular place, and also what are the ways to reach that place, and lots of other things. Now you can also check the timings of the train on Google Map, which train is coming at what time, and next day and tomorrow which train will come or which train will do not come. You can get all the updates on Google Map. And also if anything on the way, any distractions, any bad things are there on the way, then you can get updates from Google Map. Even if I talk about myself, when I was in Berhampur, I identified whole Berhampur using Google Map. And whenever I would feel that I have lost my way, then I would check Google Map and I would come back to my mess easily. So really Google Map has made it possible for people to travel at any place without any fear. Even when my wife's exam was there and I would not know the college, it was in Islampur, and then I traveled to that place using Google Map and we came back safely. So that's why I feel Google Map is a feature of a smartphone which is worth mentioning and which has made the lives of the people a lot more easier. And there's another point we would like to discuss is about education. You see, there are lots of people who want to take education. There are lots of students are there want to learn lots of things, but they don't go to the teachers one by one individually, but which they can do using their smartphones from YouTube, from Facebook, from WhatsApp. Recently, I heard a news that a WBCS officer will share his valuable tips and tricks how he has cracked his interview using a WhatsApp group. So this is very valuable for the students who are going to give WBCS examination, who are going to sit for this exam. So this will be very valuable tips for the students. And also there are students who are very poor and who want to crack IS examination and WBCS examination, SCGL, CHSL, lots of exams they want to crack, but they don't have enough money in their pocket. So you can pay for the internet and they can check for the valuable tips and tricks from YouTube, because there are toppers of WBCS and IS examinations who have shared their valuable tips and tricks on YouTube. And also they can get tips from the highly qualified teachers of IS exam or WBCS exam, which is very much helpful for the students who are going to sit for the examination. So that's why I feel that smartphone has made education very much easier nowadays. Now we can take education without traveling to a certain place. Even if I talk about myself, I am doing an Islamic course from an institute called Darul Hikmah. From Calcutta I am doing this course. They are teaching us from Calcutta. So that's why I feel that now education is not a barrier nowadays. Everyone nowadays can get knowledge of whatever subject they want. Then there's another point which is business I would like to discuss. That regarding business, you see, nowadays smartphones has given us lots of features through which we can increase our business. Like if you want to get customers, there are lots of ads you can create. Like you can target ads. You can create targeting ads. You can target customers directly using Facebook ads, using Google ads, and lots of other ads are there which you can create to get more potential customers. You see, there are you can also create a website to showcase your skills. You can also create YouTube videos to showcase your skills, and also you can create Facebook groups. Also, you can create WhatsApp groups. Also, you can use WhatsApp business. You can also create WhatsApp chatbot, and also you can create Facebook page, and lots of things you can create to reach more customers. And Instagram is there, so lots of things are there through which you can really increase your business to a great extent. And so these tools are very much helpful for the business. Then another important point, which is last but not the least, is about transaction. That today you can send a lot of money using a smartphone. You can send up to 1 lakh rupees with just single click. So that's why I feel that also there are other features as well which are worth mentioning, but I think that's all for today. Also, we have to keep in our mind that there are lots of bad effects of a smartphone as well, but we have to try to use it in the proper way, so that the bad effects we can remove as much as possible. So thank you for listening. Thank you so much.